How are you doing today? We are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. This is Phenomenal Peeps. So this afternoon I'm going to show you guys on how to use how to trade the boom and crash with 15-minute time frame. So by using Bollinger Band strategies. So you can use 15-minute time frame to trade these strategies successfully. So I'm going to show you, but if you want to understand these strategies, please study it very well, know how it works. So study it very well. Like I said, when you study it very well, you will know how it works. So give me a minute. So this video, I don't want to do it posting it here. So I want to do it for my people, for the people that I mentor, but notwithstanding, I still need to show you guys on how these strategies work very well. So if you want to use these strategies on 15-minute time frame, first of all, you need to check your H4 candles. You need to check your H4 time frame. What I mean by H4 is that 4-hour time frame. So when you check your 4 hours time frame, you need to know the candles. Maybe you want to sell. So what you need to look for is that you need to check your H4 candles. So when your H4 candles touches the upper Bollinger Band at the top, then if the candle is bearish candle, then you will come to your you will come back to your 15-minute time frame to check the candles, whether it's touched the upper Bollinger Band. When it touch the upper Bollinger Band, that is the true confirmation that the market will sell. So this is a 15-minute time frame, and you notice that I told you that if you want to sell, for the previous video that I upload, maybe if you are new on this channel, so watch our previous video on these strategies, so you'll be able to understand how these strategies work very well. Because the first strategy that I upload about this, the first video I upload about this strategy is that I do it for 1 hour. So but I just want to do this 15-minute time and 15-minute strategies on how to use these strategies for 15 minutes. I want to do it because of the people that have small equity. So maybe $15, $20, $30. So that they will also be in the market. So that's why I want to do these strategies. And if you have more than $100 account, you can also use these strategies. So that is it. So before I forget, if you are new on this channel, please click on subscription button, click on the bell, so that anytime I upload the new video, you'll be able to see it. So this is 15 time frame. Then what I say you should check is that check your H4 and check whether the H4 is bearish candle. You want to sell. Then make sure that it touch the upper Bollinger Band. So let me show you what I'm saying. So let me use this arrow to indicate the current market now. This is the current market, so let me put the arrow there and check it in H4. So let me find it in H4. So let's check it in H4. Yes, this is H4. This is what I said. So the bullish candle is around here at this upper Bollinger Band. This is outside the Bollinger Band here. Then it's reverse. It shows the hammer, inverted hammer, that is telling you that the market will sell. That is the first confirmation. Then you will come back to 15-minute time frame to check whether the candle is at the upper Bollinger Band also. So let's check the 15-minute time frame. Did you see? This is the 15-minute time frame. The market is around what? Outside the Bollinger Band. Then you will do what? It tell us to sell. So this is it. The market is what? Around the outside the Bollinger Band. Then that is the second confirmation. So this strategy work well. So I don't want to, like I said before, I don't want to post it here, but I just want you to enjoy it very well. So that's why I just do a short video on how it works. So test it on demo account. So this strategy really work perfectly. Like I said, test it on demo account. So and if you want to see the settings, please check our previous video to check the settings. That is how it works. And for this test settings, well, maybe I should quickly show you the settings. But before that, that is the first confirmation. That is the confirmation for sell. So, and I don't know, maybe some people see they don't get it well, so let me come back again so that you'll be able to understand it. So all what I'm saying is that if you want to use these strategies, you need to look for two things. The first thing is that check, maybe you want to sell. If you want to sell, what you will need to do is that make sure that the bullish candle touches the upper Bollinger Band. This is our upper Bollinger Band here. So when the bullish candle touches this upper Bollinger Band, then you will go back to H4. You will go to H4 time frame. When you go to H4 time frame, check whether this same bullish candle or this candle, check them whether they touch the upper Bollinger Band. When they touch the upper Bollinger Band, then wait for the H4 candles to bullish candle is this blue. I set my own blue and I use my bearish candle as red. So wait for the H4 bullish candle to turn to bearish candle. What I mean by bearish candle is this red candle. So wait for it to turn to red. When it came to red, that means it's turned to reversal. So when it came to red, so that is telling you that the market will sell. So on that H4 candle, when you notice that it turned to red, then you will come back to 15-minute time frame. When you come back to 15-minute candle, so you will enter your trade at when the market is outside the upper Bollinger Band. So that is it. So that's why I showed you this. So that's why I showed you this, that this is where I put my arrow, and I check H4. So when I check the H4, so you see the bullish candle is outside the Bollinger Band. When it turns to red here, so we will enter our trade in 15-minute time frame. So that is how it works. So test it on your demo account and see it yourself. So this is where you will enter your trade. So it's very simple. So, and if you want to learn more about this, join our mentorship program. Our mentorship program is not for free. Please don't come to my WhatsApp number and beg me for that you want to join our mentorship program for free. It's not for free. So thank you very much. For the settings, let me quickly show you the settings. Although I have already shown the settings is on our previous video. Check our previous video for the settings or for know more about this, how to use these strategies. But let me quickly show you that. So you need only these three settings. These first settings. Bollinger Band. Our Bollinger Band is period 34. The deviation should be 1.619. Shift is 0. Apply to close. Then 4 pixel, use green. Click done. So that is it. Then we are using relative strength index. Relative strength index is 1 period 1. Apply to close. Style 4 pixel. Then levels will be 95, 5, 10, 90. So then done. Then the last one is MACD. MACD should be fast EMA should be 12, slow EMA should be 26, MACD SMA should be 5. Apply to close. So main should be red. So main should be 3 pixel green. Y signal should be 3 pixel. Then level key 0. Done. So that is how we do it. So what you will do is that, let me quickly show you this again. So because some people will still ask me that what is the useful of the RSI. So when you notice that you check your H4, you notice that the H4 is already touched the upper Bollinger Band. Then you come back to 15-minute time frame, you see that it's already touched the Bollinger Band. Then you come back to RSI here. The RSI is on what? Is approach 90 level here. When the RSI is approach 90 levels, so that is our last confirmation. When you notice that the RSI is also touches these 90 levels, so you are good to go. for sell. So that is how we use these strategies. So thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you.